Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by saving a backup copy immediately. This prevents data loss if anything goes wrong. Once done, inspect the Review tab to see if the command reads Unprotect Sheet or Protect Workbook. That tells you if the sheet or structure is locked. If you know the password, enter it now. That's the fastest, most legitimate path. Make sure to note the Excel version, because steps differ slightly between 2010, 2016, and 365, and knowing it speeds troubleshooting later. If the password is available, click Review, then Unprotect Sheet and type it in. That directly restores edit access. If you don't have the password, use a simple VBA routine to remove protection. Enable macros temporarily, open the Visual Basic editor, and run a trusted removal macro. This works because sheet protection is not encryption. For structure locks on the whole workbook, go to File, Info, then Protect Workbook to toggle structure protection. Make sure macros are only enabled for files you trust to avoid security risks. You finish by verifying that edits work. Change a few cells, format one cell, and insert a row to confirm full access. Once satisfied, reapply protection only if necessary, and use a strong, remembered password. Document it securely. If the VBA approach failed, check common causes. The file type must allow macros. XLSM and your account needs modify permissions. Also confirm the workbook is not open in another instance. If problems persist, copy content to a new workbook as a last resort workaround.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.